So now let's see how we can make basic adjustments to our media over here inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on the top on the adjustment tab, and here you can see that there's many different adjustment options, and this is what we're going to focus on right now. So you can see that adjustment is turned on right here. So you can see that I can go around and turn on the adjustment over here. And what you can do is you can see the basic adjustment options right here. Like for example, there's the temperature option that allows you to make your videos look cool or make it look warmer, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around and then change out the hue to make it look more pink or make it look more green. You can also go around and add in a value right here, just like this over here, and change around the value over here as well. You can work around with the saturation to increase out the color value or decrease out the color value and make it completely grayscale as well. But let me just go around and increase the color value in my case. Then you got brightness, as you can see right here, which allows you to brighten up or darken up video footage right here. Then you can go around and then change around the contrast to increase the difference between black and white so that the black becomes more black and the white becomes more white, as you can see. Then you can work around with the highlight right here that allows you to work around with only the bright parts of the picture, and you can darken it out or highlight it out right here. Then you can work around with the shadows right here, which allows you to control out the darker parts of the image, the video footage or image right here. So let me just go around over here and delete it and then bring in this video footage right here. And over here, if I were to work around with the highlight, you can see that it affects the skies, work around with the shadows, and it affects this shadow area right here. Then you got illumination that allows you to simply increase out brightness in another way. Then you got effects, as you can see right here. So you need to go around over here and sharpen. You can sharpen out the footage, as you can see right here, but that does bring in a bit of noise, as you can see right here. Then you can work around with particles, add in the noise particles right here, add in a bit of fade right here to add in some effect of an old movie right here. Then you can work around with vignetting over here, just like this as well, as you can see. So that is what you have. So that is how you can work around with the basic adjustment option inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.